Hi everyone! Welcome to the second Mini Devlog. Today we are going to solve a problem. As you can see, collisions break at some point in the world. This is because I'm using 32-bit floating point numbers for calculations. Floats have roughly 7 digits in precision, and you effectively lose precision every power of 2. Collisions break when passing the 2048th block, and more precisely, this is the part that breaks. This small offset can't be represented anymore, but that's not the only limit. Passing the 100,000th block, we only have one decimal place left to do the calculations, resulting in jittering. After passing the millionth block, rendering starts to break, and passing 10 million blocks, things are completely broken. I can't even move! To solve this, we could use double precision floats, which have 15 digits of precision, but that would considerably reduce the performance, especially in the graphics card. What we are going to do instead is to use a combination of an int vector to represent chunk position and a float vector to represent local position inside of the chunk. When changing chunk, we will increment the int by 1 and set the float back to 0. Using this technique, we will be able to do all the calculation and rendering locally with high precision. The maximum value of an int is 2 to the power of 31 minus 1, so more than 2 billion. And because we increment it every 32 blocks, this gives us a limit of roughly 68 billion blocks. But what about terrain generation? Well, the simplex noise function that I'm using needs doubles as inputs, which have 15 digits of precision. The previous value has 11 digits, meaning that the calculations are still correct with 4 decimal places, way more than we need. Now, crossing the limit will teleport you back to the other end of the map, because the integer storing the chunk value overflows. This is a cool free feature. If you enjoyed this mini devlog, consider subscribing and leaving a comment. It helps me a lot. Thanks for watching.